Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to add a teenager driver to your Geico auto insurance policy by phone in 2025. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. You know how we do it. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now you can call Geico's customer service representative. The number is right there on the phone. Just call that to speak to a representative, and then you're gonna need to provide your policy information. So just go ahead and provide that, including your policy number, and you're just gonna request to add a teenage driver. So just request to add a teenage driver to your policy, and you're going to need to provide the teenager's information, including of course their name, date of birth, and driver's license number. And once that's done, you're going to select the vehicles they will drive. So go ahead and select the vehicles that they're going to drive and confirm the changes to your policy with the customer service representative, and they're going to take care of that for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a teenage driver to your Geico auto insurance policy by phone in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.